Hey, retro content creators. Today we're creating that 80s/90s vaporwave aesthetic that's dominating social media. It's super nostalgic and beautiful. Open a photo. Photos of Greek statues, old cars, or urban landscapes work best. Add a gradient map using classic vaporwave colors. Hot pink, cyan, purple. Go from cyan to pink to purple. Change the color mode at 70%. Add a color balance layer and add magenta to midtones, cyan to shadows. Create a curves layer and pull slightly upward, creating that characteristic faded look. Now add graphic elements. Use text tool to add Japanese words or Da style font.